Namaste, beautiful spirit. Start this practice in Sukhasana, easy seat. Breathe deeply, relaxing your being. Nourish yourself with loving energy. Circle your arms out wide and reach your hands overhead. Breathe out and melt your heart and arms onto the earth. Walk your hands to the right edge of your mat. Place your right palm over the left hand. Gently stretch your right side body. Breathe deeply and relax. Let go and enjoy. Walk your hands over to the right edge of your mat. Release forward. Refresh your body with deep breaths, renewing your energy, restoring peace. Walk your hands to the center of your mat. Find your tabletop. Breathe in deep and tuck your toes. Stretch your legs and hips back into your downward dog. Breathe in, send your left leg up towards the sky. Step your left foot in the center of your hands. Keep the left knee stacked over the left ankle. Point the right toes behind you. Bring the left hand on the inside of your left leg. Modified side angle. Send your right arm up, opening the chest, shoulders, and your heart space. Use your abdominal muscles and reach both arms up. Straighten your front leg and bring the right hand to the back of your mat. Taking this beautiful side body stretch. Lift your arms back overhead as you stand tall and bow over the left leg. Enjoy a few deep breaths stretching through the left hamstring. Turn your hips to face the front of your mat. Soft bend into your left knee. Let your hips relax down and forward. Open your heart. When you exhale, lift your hips, slide the left foot back to meet the right, downward dog. Lift and stretch your right leg up. Step the right foot between your hands. Lower your back knee. Hands on the inside of the right leg. Left toes and shin point behind you. Reach your left arm open. Deep breath in. As you exhale, both arms go up and the left hand lands at the back of your mat. Modified side lunge, the right leg straightens. Reach and lift your arms up, circle them and melt over your extended straight leg. Forward fold. Pivot your hips to face the front of your mat. Bend into your right knee. Place your hands on the inside of the right leg. Lift your hips. Downward dog. Right foot meets your left. Tap the left knee to the left elbow and cross the left ankle on top of the right thigh for a figure 4 pigeon shape in your downward dog. Enjoy a few deep breaths in this glute stretch. Extend your left leg over to the right. Reach your right arm up and breathe out. Fold over your extended leg, holding your foot and drawing yourself in closer. You have the option to place the right palm on top of your left, exploring a side bend in this posture. With your next breath out, move into your downward dog, both hands at the front of your mat and both feet at the back. Right knee taps the right elbow. Cross the right ankle over the left thigh, bending your left knee. Press your hips back. As you breathe out, extend the right leg off to the left. Open the left arm up and fold over your extended leg. You have the option to breathe here or place the left palm over the right to explore your lateral side body stretch. Gently release into downward dog. Deep breath in, and as you exhale, rest and take child's pose. Slide your hands back, bring your shoulders over your hips. Move to a seated space, extend your legs out long. Breathe in, open your arms wide, and exhale, forward fold. Allow your upper body to relax with each exhale. Lift your shoulders over your hips. Bring your legs into a crisscross shape, Sukhasana, easy seat. Rest your hands on your knees and rest your eyes. Enjoy these few moments of relaxation. Restoring peace with each breath. Thank you for practicing with me and subscribing to my channel. Namaste, beautiful spirits.